If I had $1,000 to spend on fragrances, I'm gonna show you how I shop. So follow me over to the computer and I'll show you exactly how to save and get a lot of fragrances for $1,000. Okay guys, we're gonna go shopping today on one of my favorite websites when you're talking about cheap fragrances. If you had $1,000 to build your collection. Now we're gonna shop between niche fragrances and some nice fragrances that smell like they're high end, but they're gonna be cheap. But we're gonna go into our niche fragrances first. So the website that I'm gonna go over, we're gonna try Jomashop. They're having a Memorial Day sale, but let's see what we got. Okay, the fragrance that we're gonna start off first, we're gonna go into Zerjoff because this is one of my favorite niche fragrances. They run probably about 300 or more if you're not buying them at discounters. This site pretty much has all the Zerjoff at some nice prices. So we're gonna go to Zerjoff first. Let's see. $1,000. Okay, we got Italica. I never smelled that. So let's see what else they got. Okay, we have 1888 Cosmoratti line, and I think I want to add that. Let's see, do they have a tester first? Testers are all legit. Just think about it. If you went into a department store and you actually sprayed the fragrance, that's exactly what a tester is. Now these testers, they're not never used. The only downside about them, they might come without a box. Some might come without caps, but most of them from this site come with caps. So only thing you're not going to get is the nice packaging, luxurious packaging. So let's go to Zerjoff 1888 tester. See if we can find a better price. Okay, we got a tester at $139. Now this particular fragrance is one of my most complimented niche fragrances, let alone Zerjoff. So we're going to definitely add that to the cart. Okay, we have $139. Let's go to some more Zerjoff. Let me see. What else we got? Zerjoff Dose Amalfi. Now this is one of my favorite fragrances. I did a review on them on my top 17, 18 fragrances from Zerjoff. And to me, this was my favorite one. Although I haven't received any compliments from it, but fragrances is not always about the compliments you receive. It's about the fragrance that you enjoy. So I think we're gonna add that for $135. That's a really good price. You can see the regular retail price run at $305. So we're gonna add that to the bag. Let me see, we got 2 fragrances. What you guys think? Let's get one more. I'm gonna go to the House of Unwatch. That's another nice niche fragrance brand that I really enjoy. Let's see what they got in this. Okay, these unwatches are kind of expensive, but don't worry, we're gonna get some nice fragrances. We're gonna try to get at least about 10 fragrances, including niche, some designers, you know, some Middle Easterns that build out the collection for maybe all year round. So let's see what we got. Yeah, they're high on here. Imitation is a nice price, but it's not one of their greatest fragrances I don't too much care about. We got Unwatched Journeyman. Now this is my favorite from the line, and that's probably the best price you're gonna get for this. But I think I paid around $170, $180 for mine. So we're gonna add that to the cart. So right now we're at 3 fragrances. The total price is at $500. You see how fast that $1,000 go down, but we still gonna keep adding. Let's go to the House of Mancera. Let's see what they got. By the way, guys, I'm not sponsored by any of these websites. They need to come sponsor me because I'm just pretty much promoting them right now. But this is where I shop at, so I'm not gonna knock them for that. Let's see what they got in Manceras. Okay, see, now you get some real nice prices on Manceras. What you guys think? Think Instant Crest, CJ Boris. I don't like Sicily. I just wore it the other day. It's just too strong in jasmine for me. We got Red Tobacco, but some of you guys might not like that. It's a very nice fragrance. Let's see what else. What they got? What they got? What they got? Now, Blue Notes is a nice fragrance. That'll cover your summer scents. We have 2 elegant scents. We're gonna have a summer scent. So let's add this to the bag. Okay, we're right at $5.60. And if you spend this much money, they're gonna give you probably $20 off. So just say $5.30. That's our price right now. Okay, so let's see what they have in Montales. See if we want any Montale fragrances. Honey Oud is a nice fragrance, but I can get that for a better price. Dark Vanilla is very nice. That'll cover the gourmands for you. So let's see what else they got. Dark Vanilla. Emerald Spices is decent. Oud Blanc used to be one of my favorite scents. It's a compliment getter, but I just don't wear it anymore. So we're gonna decide it right here quickly. Oud Flowers is very nice, and that's only 51 bucks, $52. So let's add that. Okay, we're at 611. Let's add, I tell you what, let's add Dark Vanilla. That's a nice fragrance. Dark Vanilla is 70 bucks, and all of these are large bottles. So let's add Dark Vanilla. So right now we're at close to $700. Congratulations, you get free shipping. Okay, what you guys think? Should we add another niche fragrance, or should we keep moving on and add more? We're right at 6 fragrances. We can add another niche fragrance and still be okay. Let's go into my favorite Middle Eastern brand, which is Swiss Arabian, because a lot of their fragrances are very cheap and they smell like they are actually niche fragrances. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna get Rose 01. Rose 01 is a nice fragrance that smells just like Delina. And for you ladies and guys who like Delina, this is a cheaper version of it, and it smells even better. It lasts longer. So to me, this is a no-brainer. We're gonna add Rose 01. That's 7 fragrances. Let's see what else they got. Oh, definitely one of my favorites. We're gonna add Amber 07. And right now we're sitting at $783.93. So I think we got some nice fragrances for all occasions. We have one summer scent, so let's look at adding something else for summer fragrance. And I think I want to go niche on this. Well, let me see a good niche brand. Let's see. So let's go back to Zerjoff. Okay, here we go. Oud and Overdose is more, it's combined with being niche fragrance, it's combined with being a summer fragrance and it being a dressed up fragrance. So let's add this to the cart and see where that leaves us. $928.93. You're gonna get free shipping. Once you spend, I think $300, they give you $20 off. So free shipping, $20 off. So they're leaving us right at $900. So as you see right now, we got 9 fragrances for $1,000, and most of them are niche. So you shop right, you can get these kind of fragrances for good prices. Okay, let's go to the House of Afnan. We need another summer fragrance. Let me see. There we go, 9 p.m. They have a tester, but that's probably gonna come without the cap. So let's go with 9 p.m. We're gonna add that to the bag. It's $967.92. Let's add one more afternoon and see what, then we're gonna close this out. And just to show you guys that although $1,000 seems like a lot of money, but when you buy fragrances that's not discounted, you'll chew that up in probably 3 fragrances. But if you shop right, for instance, Jomashop, then you can come up with some nice fragrances. Let me see. Let's add one more afternoon. What we got? 9 a.m. is a decent fragrance, but I think it's more feminine. Okay, this is gonna close it out. This is probably my favorite afternoon fragrance. We're gonna go with men's His Highness 6 Blue. If you haven't smelled that, you need to get your hands on it. One of my favorite fragrances. So let's add that to the cart. Oh, we're right at $1,033.91. Well, we got a discount code automatically, SRJ15, when you spend $1,000. So we at $1,033. Give or take, $1,000 can get you 11 nice, good fragrances, and a lot of them be niche, and you can build a collection, smell really great wearing them. So these are the fragrances. You're gonna get everything from floral, masculine, spicy, very mature, and it's one of my favorite fragrances, to a very nice aquatic, floral, salty fragrance. You're gonna have your fruity, spicy fragrances with afternoon 9. You're gonna have your very unique fragrances with oud flowers. You're gonna have your gourmand fragrances and dark vanilla with a sweet, dark vanilla. You're gonna get your all summer scents with oud and overdose. Very peppery, spicy, masculine fragrance with journey. So yeah, $1,000 can get you a lot of these fragrances if you shop correctly. That's it, guys. That's how I shop. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like what you've seen, hit that subscribe button for me. Come back and see me, and I will see you soon. Peace.